In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an event from one Google Calendar to another. This can be very handy when you want to reorganize your events or if you've got multiple calendars for different types of activities like work, personal, or family schedules. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to open up Google Calendar, go to your preferred browser and type in calendar.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google Calendar page where all your events and appointments are displayed. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials to proceed. Now that you're on the Google Calendar page, it's time to find the event you want to move. Scan through your calendar grid to locate the event. You can switch between week, month, or day views to make the browsing easier. Once you find the event, click on it to open up the event details. Next, you'll notice a little pencil icon that signifies Edit. It's usually located at the top of the event pop-up. Clicking this will take you to the Event Details page where you'll see more specific information about your event, like its title, location, and time. After entering the Event Details page, direct your attention to the Calendar drop-down, which is conveniently located under the Event Title and Time sections. This drop-down menu is where you can choose which calendar you'd like the event to be associated with. Take a moment to click the drop-down, and a list of your available calendars will appear. Now, select the new calendar to which you'd like to move your event. Simply click on your desired calendar from the list. If you're unsure about which calendar to choose, take your time reviewing the list to ensure that you move the event to the proper place. Once you've selected the new calendar, the most crucial step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically situated at the top or bottom of the Event Details page. Click it to ensure that your event has been successfully moved to the new calendar. Finally, check back on your main Google Calendar page. Your event should now appear under the new calendar with the calendar's designated color easily visible to help distinguish it from others. It's always a good idea to double check that everything looks right. And there you have it. You've now moved an event from one Google Calendar to another. This simple process can make managing multiple calendars more efficient and keep your schedules neat and organized. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.